Hello guys, so in this lecture we will see static or dynamic systems. So a system is said to be static or memoryless if and only if present output depends only upon present input. Otherwise system will be dynamic or it will be having memory. Memoryless means static system. System is having memory means dynamic system. So let us take an example that output yt is x square of t. So remember always to check any system whether it is static or dynamic, always try with three values of time: positive, negative and 0. Always try with positive value of time, negative value of time and 0 time. Always try with these three times. So in this case, y of 0, yt at t equal to 0 will be x square of 0 at t equal to 0. And let us say for t equal to 2 for positive time, this is for t equal to 0. For t equal to 2, y of 2 will be x square of 2. Means output at t equal to 0 is depending upon input at t equal to 0. Output at t equal to 2 is depending on input at t equal to 2. So here this at t equal to 2. X square of 2. Now let us take t equal to minus 2. Any value you can take, minus 3, minus 4. So output at t equal to minus 2, this will be x square of minus 2, is depending upon input at minus 2. It means the output is always depending on the present value of input. It means system is a static system. So let us take another example. Let us say y of t is x of t minus 2. Okay, so let us take t is 0. So y of 0 is x of minus 2. So output at time 0 is depending upon input at time minus 2. Means this is output yt. Means output at t equal to 0 is depending upon input at t equal to minus 2. Means it is depending on the past value of input. As input will be coming at minus 2, minus 1, 0. So output here is depending on past values of input. Okay, let us check with positive value. Y of 1 will be x of minus 1. This is at t equal to 1. Again, value of output at t equal to 1 is depending at input at t equal to minus 1. Again, by seeing these two values, we can say system is dynamic. So let us take another example. Y of t is x of t plus 2. Now let us take t equal to 0. So output at time 0, y of 0 is x of 2, is depending upon input at t equal to 2. Means it is depending upon future value. So system is dynamic. Let us take another example. Let us say y of t is 5x of t. As we are seeing here, there is no operation with time domain. So we can guess from here only that system will be static. So we can take three values, y of 0 at t equal to 0, at t equal to 2 and at t equal to minus 2. So at t equal to 2, y of 2 will be 5x of 2. Y of 0 will be 5x of 0 and y of minus 2 will be 5x of minus 2 means present output is depending on present input only. So system is static. So this is all about static and dynamic systems. Thank you.